this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over the iBUYPOWER SleepMesh gaming PC. If you want to know what the iBUYPOWER, there's several brands out there where you can buy a kind of a pre-built PC. So it uses a lot of kind of off-the-shelf products, and they pre-build these PCs. I would consider this more of like a mid-tier gaming PC, and that's kind of what I wanted. I wanted one for video editing, gaming, and a bunch of kind of random other projects. And I decided to go with the iBUYPOWER. I looked at a few other ones, but I kept coming back to this one. And what I'm going to do for y'all today is I'm going to do a quick unboxing and kind of show you what you get when you get one of these. I just got this in, so I figured I'd you know, open it up. I've already opened it up and looked in there, verify it's in there. So far, we're pretty good. Okay, open up the top. You can see how it's packaged here. And back here, I think we get a keyboard. They give you a keyboard and mouse. It's a iBUYPOWER mouse. Well, it comes in their box, so maybe, you know, we'll open that up here in a minute. And then the PC itself. Let me go ahead and lay this thing down. It's got an iBUYPOWER kind of like bag on it right here. We don't need that thing. It looks like there's some packing material in there, but let me show you some other stuff you get. So you get a power cord, a Wi-Fi antenna, and then how to start it up. But you know what? If you've made it this far with me, you probably know how to plug a PC in and start it up. We don't need any of that. We'll set that aside. So let's go ahead and go over the PC itself. Wow, that thing's a beast to move around. We can peel that off too. Not the biggest fan. Tampered glass, handle with care. Can we get that off? Oh yeah, that's not hard to get off. I remember seeing some people that was really hard to get off, but mine came off pretty easy. On top, it looks like there's a power button here. 2 USB A's, 1 USB-C, a headphone out, and a mic in. And then the front, a lot of good ports on the front for bringing in airflow or maybe expelling air. We'll go over the back. Use video ports for display. They're telling you to use your graphics card. Do not use, it looks like these right here. Don't use these right here. Use the graphics card video ports. There's the power cable there. A Wi-Fi antenna goes out here. Looks like once again you've got a few more kind of slots for mics and all that. More USB ports. It looks like you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 USB A's, 1 Cat 5 in, and 1 USB Type-C in and out. And that's a little serial port for like a mouse or gaming or anything like that. So this right here looks like an optical port maybe. And then it looks like you get 1, 2, 3 display port CD output. So that's display port to HDMI and just 1 HDMI. So there's several right here that you're going to use. So technically you can put 4 monitors on this thing. Let's go ahead and open it up. How do we open it up? I guess I shouldn't have threw away my open guide. You're just going to put your hand right there and slowly pull on this. That's really cool that they actually have this tempered glass. It's got these ball mounts right here, and there is some more of this stuff right here that I need to peel off. We'll peel that off. Okay, in here it looks like there's some packing foam. Let's just look over everything and make sure that it's connected. I'm looking over the graphics card. This comes with a, let me just kind of like go over the specs with you guys first. As far as the processor, it's the Intel Core i7 processor, and it has the, you know, 14700F with a Nvidia GeForce RTX 4060 8 gigabyte, and it's got 32 gigs of DDR5 RAM. And it's got a 1 terabyte hard drive in it. So that should hold about everything that you need. And like I said, what I need it for the most was for gaming, for doing light duty gaming, and some editing. So it's mostly the editing. I love all of the fans in this thing. It has a lot of fans, so it's got a lot of circulation. So hopefully that'll help keep it a lot cooler. You've got some PCI slots down here, the slot right here. Everything looks really good right out of the box, everybody. I don't see any issues. I looked over this. I don't see anything unplugged or anything like that. Let me go ahead, turn it around. Let's get the cord. Let's plug it up, fire it up, and let's see what it looks like. What I have here is the Samsung curved monitor. I went ahead and ran it out of display port 1. Let's go ahead and fire this thing up. So we're holding down right there. I'm guessing we just hold that down. Make sure your button is on there. I just turned that button on. There is a power button on the back. Now let's smash that. Whoa, look at that. Everybody, that looks awesome. Turn that on. There it is. It's fired up. Everybody, look at the RGB. I put the glass back on. Everything lights up. The graphics card lights up. The RAM lights up. The two fans, all of that's lit up. And here's the keyboard that came with it. Technically, this is an entire package that you could go with. I feel output here, a lot of output coming out of the back. A little bit coming out of the top. But overall, the PC looks really good. And I like the fact that it gave me some ports on the top so I could run things from the top, whether it's my USB. I've got some hard drives and all that external drives that I'm going to be hooking up to this. So it's great to have that set up. Let's let it go ahead, run through its cycle, then I'll come back. Okay, there it is. It's all set up, everybody. This thing is still doing some downloading, and once it gets done, I'll do a follow-up video and show you some gaming and all that. I don't have good Wi-Fi out here, so I just wanted to show you guys how good this computer looks, do a quick unboxing, give you some of the specs, and show you how it just looks set up. But this is like a great option for anyone that does any type of gaming, multitasking, video editing, pretty much CAD or anything like that. I love this combo, this Samsung monitor. This is a very affordable option that gives you a lot of power at kind of like a good mid-tier price, but it doesn't break the bank. But that's all I got today, everybody, on the iBUYPOWER Mesh 8 gaming PC and curved monitor. See y'all in the next video.